Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Dupage County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 1 p.m. At 12:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Woodridge to near Manhattan, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Ding dong.
Impact, expects damage to roofs,
Yeah,
siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Joliet, Hammond, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Woodridge, Chicago Heights, Chicago, Englewood, South Shore,
I see blue.
Roseland, Burbank, Lansing, Oak Forest,
I don't see him.
Lockport,
Englewood.
Lennox, Palmer Glen, Blue Island, Munster, Dalton, and Park Forest. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yes. You're always pretty chill.
Special Marine warning. What?
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 2 p.m. At 12:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles northeast of Aurora to 15 nautical miles southwest of Midway Airport to 6 nautical miles southeast of Joliet, moving east at 25 knots.
What did you think I was doing?
Wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail.
Why would I?
Radar. Impact. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, Belmont Harbor.
Choose your words wisely, you're on video.
Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Some trans quote-unquote men or women would be jealous of me because my weekdays was late as menstruating.
This is Noah's Weather Radio, KXI 41 Crystal.